Driving is one of the most exciting things you can do, but driving a virtual car might be even more exciting. Mackevision is offering a system which provides virtual cars in an almost unlimited number of variations and configurations with an absolute photorealistic quality. Founded in 1994, Mackevision is one of the most experienced companies worldwide in the field of 3D visualization. We are well known for outstanding work, especially in the automotive industry, as well as in architecture and in the pharmaceutical industry. Our clients are international corporations, agencies and film productions. We are to them creative partners and also partners in technology, with the ability to provide all kind of media and all kind of content for web, film and print. Mackevision is based in Stuttgart, Germany. We have subsidiaries in Munich and in Detroit. As I mentioned, we are specialized in creating virtual cars. Always leading the benchmark in CGI technology, we now invented a content creation system which we named the F-Box. There are just a few steps in creating any virtual car in a photorealistic look. Have you ever been curious to look behind the matrix? Here we go.
The first step of this pipeline is the preparation and editing of the data. This data is exactly the same used to construct a car. This ensures that the virtual car is absolutely identical to the prototype. In the modeling department, missing parts or parts that were modeled in CAD roughly only are added. Every little detail will be taken into account to guarantee an outstanding photorealistic quality.
The artists in the modeling department work primarily on the interiors. We model objects with organic material properties or special details such as decorative seams and leather edging.
Parallel to the data preparation, a film team shoots different background scenes for the database. The filming is similar to a regular car commercial, but one difference: all scenes are shot without a car.
Additional steps need to be taken to finally be able to put any car that you ever want into such a scene. You have to measure and scan everything and prepare the scenes afterwards so that they fit into a library which will be able to be used as a system later on.
After data preparation is finished, the animators will add the rigging to the master scenes. They add the individual handling and dynamic of the vehicle. Once a shot is approved, the same animation can be loaded for any other car.
The car needs special treatment for flexibility in the master scene. A car rig defines a model's possible movements. The special mechanical features of the car model have to be individually adapted.
When the animation is finished, shading artists start to light the shots. With the help of HDRI technology, the shading artists generate a photorealistic image that can even fool professional car photographers.
The jobs in the shading and lighting department involve lighting the scenery and producing new materials. Here we can revert to our comprehensive material library, which contains all the paints, leathers and fabric types. The lighting and reflections on the vehicle play a crucial role in image quality. We can use brighteners or light sources just like a photographer does.
In the master scene department, all available data are put together in a scene, in a file, so that we can call up all required configurations by showing or concealing the corresponding objects.
The master scene is an essential and superior 3D data file for our workflow. It comprises, for example, all the objects, material properties and light setups. The master scene is controlled by a database which we call Hugo. The database allows us to process enormous image sets with consistent quality. The logic of the database is easy to apply in all media such as film or images. But even more, this process can be transferred to any other products as well. The database makes a hassle-free revision management possible. This means we always have the alternative to change or replace single parts at any time.
The compositing artists add the computer-generated renderings to the real footage material. and they create the tweaks and color corrections that are necessary to generate a perfect illusion.
In post-production, we marry the virtual car with the filmed material. Here we can influence every detail, so that all the variations on a car type are available. When everything is set up, we generate the final look of the film. All these work steps are based on defined processes.
When the compositors are done, the automated rendering database takes over. It remotely controls both the 3D render process and 2D render process to efficiently generate the images for different combinations, or feed an online compositing system.
When everything has been set up and archived, there's only one thing left: to start the machine. The car goes through our rendering pipeline for fully automatic rendering in any required configuration. Thousands of frames are rendered pixel by pixel, revealing for the first time what had been going on in the artists' heads.
The easiest way to describe the F-box is to think about a big remote button that actually controls and steers our complete production pipeline. Every step that every artist has ever taken within the production can be recreated within that system without ever touching the real system again.
Okay, now I think you got it. Are you ready to take a drive with Mackevision? Come on, let's go.